Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
We are doing a volcanic snowy lava ball. And you might know from last time we have made an experiment where we made a giant volcano of snow and the lava ran out. Well, here you can see the lava from last time. And I am going to roll this ball down from the volcano and collect the snowy lava. Well, here's our ball now. It's gone upscale, or at least bigger. And you can continue doing this so that you get a snowman. But you need to cushion the landing. And it becomes bigger and bigger.